Hey guys, this is BVSK for BVSKYT, and in this video I want to talk about the LG Ultra HD TV that LG released at the end of 2018. The model I have here is UK6360PTE, which is based on ThinQ AI platform, which is new from LG, and it comes with a 4K IPS display, and it also supports 4K active HDR, and it has DTS Virtual X, and it comes starting from 43 inches to and goes all the way up to 65 inches. The price for 43 inch is around 60,000, and the price for the highest 65-inch variant is over 1.5 lakh rupees. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. This is the TV I have, which is a 43-inch TV, which costed me around 59,000 rupees at the time of purchase, with some offers. And this TV runs on WebOS, which is LG's smart TV OS, and like every WebOS TV, this TV also comes with a magic remote, which is way superior than other TVs according to my opinion. This is very smooth and easy to operate, and it also comes with a cursor like this. You can hover around to anything, and you can just hover around and select to open that app, and with this cursor it is very easy to type on the onboard TV keyboard. So I really like this magic remote. This is how it looks. It has separate power buttons for the TV and the set-top box power button, and you have the voice control option, and this LG AI ThinQ platform TVs supports over 800 offline commands, voice commands, using which you can control TV. And with the latest software update, LG also added Google Assistant support to this TV. So it also has Google Assistant, using which you can get info about and also control your smart things around your home. And this TV also has a native LG content store, in which the Netflix and Amazon Prime Video, YouTube, and some other regional apps are also available, which I'll talk in a further bit. And with using these two dedicated hotkeys, you can directly access Netflix and Prime Video, and they also support a 4K playback on this TV. So let's get to the key features that this TV have. And as I already told you, this TV comes with a 4K IPS panel. As this is an IPS panel, it has a very good viewing angles. I don't have any issues with the viewing angles that it has. So the TV is very viewable from any corners of the room, so I don't have any issues there. And it also supports HDR10 and HLG Pro, if you are interested in that. And this TV also supports two-way Bluetooth, which means you can use this TV as a Bluetooth speaker and play songs from your mobile device, or you can connect this TV to any Bluetooth speaker and play songs to that TV. Talking about the ports, this TV comes with the 3 HDMI ports, out of which 2 are on this side, the left side of this TV, and 2 USB ports, out of which 1 is on this side and 1 is on the back side. I'm currently using 1 USB port. I connected this hard drive. You can do this also. You can connect pen drives and hard drives to this TV using USB ports, and I'm using 2 HDMI ports. Using one HDMI port, I connected my set-top box, and using another one, which also supports HDMI ARC, I connected my home theater. And on the back side, I have one free HDMI port and also one USB port, which I am not currently using. This TV also comes with this old ports if you want to connect your set-top box or TV in an old way. It also has a LAN port if you want to connect your TV to the modem. But this TV supports Wi-Fi also, so I directly connected this TV to my Wi-Fi, which is a very slow connection here that I have. So let me just go to the settings menu and show you the settings menu. I have the settings button here on the TV remote, and if I press this, I'll get the quick settings here. So as you can see, I can use this cursor to go, or I can use this 4 buttons available on the TV remote to go through that. The first is the picture mode, and I kept it on vivid because I like the vividness in colors in this mode, so I kept it on vivid. If you want to change, you can change This is a vivid. You also have a standard one, and auto, power save, cinema mode, cricket mode, game mode, HDR effect. And HDR effect you can change it to light, medium or strong. Some other brightness, exporting brightness, room, and some other features, but I kept it on vivid and I like it in vivid mode. And the next thing is the aspect ratio. I kept it original, and the sound mode is I kept it on clear voice. So if you are on this mode, the vocals on this TV are very clear, so I kept it on clear voice 3. And sound, coming to the sound output, this TV comes with a 20-watt inbuilt speaker, which is pretty good actually. It also has some bass, but I am using my home theater, so I connected it to HDMI ARC. And the network, coming to the network settings, it supports Wi-Fi, so I am connected to the Wi-Fi. And here we have all the major settings. So coming to all the settings, the TV interface is actually very smooth. I don't see any lagginess or anything like that. The LG is pushing frequent updates to this TV, and this TV automatically updates to the latest software updates. I'll also show you the software version that's running on this TV, and I already showed this. In coming to the general settings, in general settings you have location, language, time and day timers, quick start plus. If you turn this on, the TV will very quickly turn on without any loading time or anything, and even if this is turned on, it boots up very quickly actually. So coming down, going into the about this TV, and here the software version running on this TV is 04.10.30, and I enabled allow automatic update, so whenever there is an update, it automatically updates. And here we have the TV information. This is a WebOS TV. The model number is UK6360PTE, and you also have some safety and accessibility settings here. Coming to the network, you can also connect to the Ethernet via Ethernet connection, that is also available, and you can also connect to a 3G, 4G modem, anything like that you can also connect. It has a Wi-Fi direct, using which you can mirror your device directly to your TV, so you can screen share on this TV. There is no issues on there, but it only works with the Android device. As I use an iPhone, I don't use that feature much. And pressing on the home button on the remote, the WebOS interface loads on very quickly and shows you all the apps that you are downloaded from the LG content store. So pressing on the home button, and on the left side it shows the recently closed apps. You can just directly jump into the recents, and here these are all the apps that I downloaded, and it has a Spotify which streams for free on the LG TV for me, and YouTube, Prime Video, Netflix. All these apps are natively available on the LG content store, and you can play 4K HDR content in all these YouTube, Prime Video and Netflix. You have the appropriate plans, and these are some local applications that I downloaded for some regional content that I see. This is a Hotstar, ZFi and Sunnext. I downloaded these apps for some regional content, and when I got this TV, I don't have all these applications available on LG content store, but LG keep on updating and adding new apps to the LG content. All these apps were I got via software updates, and here is the LG content store. Let me open that for you to show you. So all the major apps are available on LG content store, and there are small games if you are interested in that. So it shows all the popular apps here. You can just go to the apps tab on the top, and you can see all the apps available there. So these are all the apps that are available, and there are also some games available for you. Very small games, not big games. And the problem that I have with the TV is the storage, inbuilt storage. The inbuilt storage is actually very less on this TV. So if you want to download a lot of apps, that may be an issue for you. The only available memory is 549 MB for you, and out of that I have 331 MB available after downloading all the necessary apps that I want. So memory is not an issue for me here, but if you want to download so many apps, that may be an issue. I downloaded almost all apps I use here on the TV. Still I have around 300 MB left, so I don't have any issues there. and it also comes with a web browser, basic web browser, so you can browse internet. You can load small pages. It is very smooth. Actually, the experience is actually very smooth. So you can't browse very heavy sites. But if your browsing style is very light, you can use this web browser for the browsing. There is no issues there. And again, going into the interface, it also has Google Play Movies, but Google Play Music is not available on the App Store. And as I already told you, it supports Bluetooth two-way, audio in and audio out. And it also has a cloud photo and video app, using which you can access Google Drive and Google Photos on the TV. But for that you have to sign in with your Google Assistant, which I didn't do here, as I don't use those. And these are all the apps that are available, and these are the connected phones. And you to screen share, the phones connected to screen share will appear here, and you can easily go into there. So I don't have enough bandwidth to play a 4K content on this TV, hence I connected the hard drive, which has some HDR10 footage, so that I can show you. Let me just open YouTube here so that I can play a video for you. Let me just play one of my own videos so you can see that it plays all the videos up to 4K without any issues. So if you watch a lot of YouTube content here, on YouTube, it has no issues. The clarity from this TV panel is actually very good, so you don't judge from this video, because I'm shooting this with my mobile phone, so the clarity may be very different from the original content that I'm watching here. So the clarity from this TV is actually very good. So if your budget is around 60,000 and you are looking for a 4K TV, you should seriously consider this TV. So that is YouTube. You can play HDR 4K videos on this. So let's get back to the Prime Video app. The app switching is also very smooth, as there are also hotkeys on this remote. As soon as you press these buttons, it will quickly jump into those apps, and based on your internet speed, it loads very quickly all these apps. As my internet connection is very slow, it is taking some time to load, but if your connection is very good, it will load all the shows very quickly from Prime Video or Netflix for that matter. So it also supports HDR, so if there is any HDR 4K content, it supports that HDR content. As I connected my 5.1 system, it is also showing 5.1 is available for this show. So let me resume this show so that you can see for yourself. So it loads based on your internet connection speed, and as soon as it loaded, it starts playing without any issues. The playback is actually very good. As soon as it detects it's a HDR, it shows up on the right top that it is a HDR content, and it plays in HDR HD. As you can see, it is also showing here that it's a HDR. With my speed, it streams to 1080p only, so I can't show you the 4K content, hence I connected hard drive. So let me just open the hard drive to show you the content on my hard drive or pen drive. You can also connect pen drives. This is the button on the remote you can press to bring up all the inputs that this TV has. So it shows on the right side all the inputs: live TV, set-top box, HDMI to, and this is my hard drive. So I'll just click into it and I'll just enter into the hard drive. So as you can see, it jumps from one app to another and one app to other very quickly without any issues, without any stutters. So there is no issues there. And let me open the 4K HDR and open and play this video. So as soon as it detects that this is a HDR content, it shows HDR on the top right, and it starts playing, and it plays actually very smoothly, so no issues there. If you enjoy a lot of media content on 4K, there are no issues. It plays 4K content very well. The brightness on this TV is also very good, so no issues there. I wanted to make a video about this, because this is a very good TV, and if you are considering a TV, 4K TV on this budget, you should seriously consider this TV. So let me just stop here, and that can do for me in this video. I just wanted to talk about some features of this TV. So if you think this video was helpful, click that like button. If you don't, click the thumbs down button. And if you have any suggestions, keep your comments on the below comment section. And if you want to know about more features of this TV, I'll leave the link in the description to the LG site where you can see all the features there. So I'll leave that link. And thank you for watching this video again, and I hope to see you on my next video.